Welcome to MathGPT. Today we are walking through a lighting sensible heat gain problem. We are told we have a 12,000 square foot classroom with lighting installed at 1.4 watts per square foot. We'll visualize it so the numbers make sense. This number, 1.4 watts per square foot, is the lighting load density. The use factor is 0.85, and the ballast factor is 1.10, which further adjusts our total contribution. We build our formula for lighting sensible heat gain. Q sub LT equals W per foot squared times area times use factor times ballast factor times 3.413. This constant converts watts to BTU per hour for the sensible heat portion. Let us plug in the numbers step by step. First, 1.4 times 12,000 gives 16,800 watts. Multiply by the use factor 0.85 to get 14,280 watts. Apply the ballast factor 1.10 and we have 15,708 watts. Finally, convert to BTU per hour by multiplying by 3.413, which gives approximately 53,610 BTU per hour. We just calculated about 53,610 BTU per hour. Among the options, the closest sensible heat gain is option C at 58,000 BTU per hour. Therefore, the correct choice is option C. You can remember this process as the lighting density times area times the adjustment factors, and finally convert to BTU per hour. That gives you the lighting sensible heat gain, which is essential for sizing HVAC equipment.